first exercise we're going to do is something called the quad set. So you get into a long sit position. You're going to tighten up your quad muscles. Basically push the bottom of your knee down into the floor, like so. You're tightening them up, holding for 5 to 10 seconds, and performing them 10 times. By doing that, we're strengthening all of the quad muscles, as you can see. That's going to help support our knees while performing specific activities. Next exercise we're going to do is we're going to lie down. So you're lying down, and you want to just bring your knee to your chest, grab your ankle, and push down even more to get a good stretch in the knee. Once that happens, bring your knee towards your chest even more. And then relax. And perform again. We're holding for about 10 to 15 seconds. And we're going to do this 5 times. This is going to improve your mobility and motion so that when we perform these functions, they won't hurt anymore. For the sake of time, I'm showing you these exercises on only one side. But remember, perform them on both. The next exercise we're going to do are the straight leg raise. So you lie down again, bend the opposite leg, keep the leg you're going to strengthen down, so perform that quad set, bring your toes towards you, and then bring your leg up and down, and up and down, keeping your straight leg parallel to the bent knee. And go slowly. You don't want to go fast with this. You want your muscles working. If you notice your back coming up a bit, you want to push your back down. That even strengthens the core. Perform 2 sets of 10 of these, and then switch sides. The next exercise I'm going to show you is an exercise to improve lateral hip strength. You lie on your side, bend one knee, keep the other leg straight. You go up and down. And you want to perform this 2 sets of 10. In time, if that's too easy, go to 3 sets of 10. And the last exercise, the squat. I spoke about it a lot, and it's so important. You get your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. You want to bend down, bring your butt back, chest up, come down and up. And you really want to focus on the form. This is going to strengthen your muscles from your toes up, feet, ankle, knees, hips, and even the back muscles as you keep your chest up and out. You want to perform this 2 sets of 10. As it becomes easier, move on to 3 sets of 10. Quick side view. Look at my knee video series to get the full breakdown of how to reduce pain while going up and down stairs, sitting up from a chair, bending to pick up an object, and walking. And if you want my free knee pain reset video, click the link in the description below. If you enjoyed these videos, please like, subscribe, and share.